Gentlemen, let me take you on a journey nearly 5,000 years back to 2697 BCE in the heart of ancient China. Picture the bustling courts of emperors, the wisdom of sages, and the birth of a discovery that would shape human health forever. The Yellow Emperor, a visionary leader deeply curious about the human body, commissioned one of the first comprehensive medical texts in history. This ancient text mapped out hundreds of pressure points, each capable of influencing health, energy, and vitality. Among them, one stood above all others. Reserved only for emperors, generals, and masters of martial arts, it was called Guan Yuan, which translates to Origin Pass or the Gate of Vitality. Ancient Chinese physicians found that stimulating this single point for just 60 seconds could awaken a man's inner energy, restore strength, and enhance vitality in ways that astounded even the imperial court. Centuries later, Shaolin monks incorporated this secret into their daily routines, practicing every morning before dawn. Many lived past 90, maintaining the agility, strength, and vitality of men half their age. They called it awakening the inner fire, and what's remarkable is that modern anatomy confirms the science behind it. I'm Dr. Michelle Zion, and for the past 14 years, I've been studying how ancient healing practices can support modern men's health. When I first learned about the CV4 point from traditional Chinese medicine practitioners, I admit I was skeptical. But the more I explored the anatomy and physiology, the more it made sense. CV4, located along the body's center line just below the belly button, aligns with the dantian, the body's central energy hub. Anatomically, it sits over crucial nerve networks that influence circulation, hormonal balance, and autonomic nervous system function. When activated correctly, this single point taps into deep energy reserves, supporting blood flow, hormonal regulation, and masculine vitality. This isn't mystical or abstract energy work. It's applied anatomy and physiology. Applying pressure to CV4 stimulates the hypogastric nerve plexus, which directs blood flow to the pelvic region and activates the parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for rest, repair, and hormone production. In simpler terms, stimulating this point prepares your body to function optimally, recover efficiently, and maintain energy and strength. Ancient texts described it as the sea of energy, because each activation draws on reserves rarely accessed in modern life. Shaolin monks understood this centuries ago, and now, so can you. If you're ready to reclaim strength, stamina, and masculine vitality, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me where you're watching from. Are you in a bustling modern city, or somewhere closer to the ancient lands of wisdom where these techniques were born? Your engagement motivates me to continue uncovering forgotten practices that truly enhance men's lives. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because this is only the beginning of exploring ancient techniques that still work today. Now, let's get practical. Here's how to locate and activate your CV4 point. Place your hand flat on your lower abdomen, touching your navel with your pinky finger. Your ring finger now rests over the CV4 point, exactly 4 finger widths below your belly button along the center line of your body. You may notice a slight sensitivity in this area. That's normal. It indicates the nerve pathways we are targeting. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. This relaxes your abdominal muscles and allows deeper access to the point. Using the pads of your middle and ring fingers, apply firm but comfortable pressure, enough to feel engagement but never pain. Begin controlled breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 2, exhale for 6. This enhances parasympathetic activation, improving circulation and hormone response. Maintain the pressure and breathing for exactly 60 seconds. You may notice warmth, tingling, or subtle pulsing. These are signs of successful nerve activation. Practice this every morning upon waking, as the nervous system is most receptive during the transition from sleep to wakefulness. To amplify results, there's a secret Shaolin formula that monks discovered centuries ago. Consuming it 20 minutes before CV4 activation dramatically enhances effectiveness. The ingredients are simple and natural. Green tea to calm the nervous system and make it receptive, ginseng powder to enhance circulation and nerve response, and dried dates to provide natural sugars without crashes. Brew 1 cup of green tea, add half a teaspoon of ginseng powder while it's still hot, and eat 3 dried dates alongside the drink. This combination primes your body for maximum benefit, energizing your nervous system and preparing your body to respond optimally. Shaolin monks have relied on this formula for over 15 centuries to maintain vitality and stamina. Let's set realistic expectations for your progress. In week 1, you'll feel the nerve activation during practice, warmth, tingling, or pulsing sensations, and notice your energy levels stabilizing. Week 2 brings improved morning circulation, and many men report stronger natural function returning. By week 3, the cumulative effects become obvious: sustained energy, better sleep, and enhanced vitality. From week 4 and beyond, the full benefits manifest as your nervous system adapts to regular stimulation. Consistency is key. This technique works through nerve conditioning and requires daily repetition. Men often make mistakes that limit results. The first mistake is applying too much pressure, thinking that more force produces faster results. CV4 responds to moderate, consistent pressure, not brute force. The second mistake is inconsistent practice. Missing days resets progress because the nervous system requires regular conditioning. The third mistake is expecting instant results. While some men may feel immediate energy, the true benefits develop gradually over weeks. Safety is essential. Never apply painful pressure, and if you have abdominal conditions or recent surgeries, consult your healthcare provider first. If you're finding this knowledge valuable, give this video a thumbs up so more men can discover these time-tested techniques. Comment below with 2 words, "Trying Shaolin," to let me know you're ready to combine the CV4 technique with the energy formula. Subscribe for more content exploring the intersection of ancient wisdom and modern men's health. There is so much more waiting for you: techniques, formulas, and secrets that have stood the test of thousands of years. Gentlemen, think about this. For nearly 5 millennia, men have been using the same techniques to awaken energy, restore vitality, and reclaim strength. You don't need supplements, invasive procedures, or expensive programs. You need knowledge, consistency, and the right technique. CV4 is not just a point on the body, it's your inner engine, your gateway to energy, circulation, and masculine vitality. Combined with the Shaolin energy formula, it's a powerful tool that is simple, safe, and effective. Remember, progress is a journey, not a quick fix. Each day you practice, you build strength that lasts a lifetime. Apply this technique consistently, embrace the Shaolin formula, and watch your energy, vitality, and confidence transform one day at a time. I'm Dr. Michelle Zion, and this is ancient knowledge still changing men's lives today. Apply it, practice it, and reclaim what your body is capable of, step by step, day by day.